Hi, good day. This is Sheena, and I'm going to teach you how to source item from Amazon.co.uk and list it in our eBay account. So here at Amazon.co.uk, you just need to look for items you can list. So here there's a lot of categories you can choose from. So you can choose toys and games and just click on the search button. Okay, so from here you can find a lot of items. Okay, so you just need to choose anything here, any subcategories here. Okay, there. Okay, so you can click anything here. So one of our criteria is only to list a prime item. So it means that a prime item has benefits for us. So it has a faster shipping of 1 to 2 day time frame, and it also has a free shipping. So here you can choose any. So you just need to click here. So you will know that it is a prime item because it will show here prime. Okay, it will show there prime. So let's open some items here. I'll show you the two types of prime items. Okay, I'll show you two types of prime items that we can list. Okay, so here. So this item, the Baby Style Children's Pirate Ship Trolley, is dispatched from and sold by Amazon. So it is an Amazon item, okay? And they take responsibility of the packaging and shipping the item. So that's one of the type of a prime item. And this one is also a prime item sold by Mercatura and fulfilled by Amazon. So this item is sold by merchant or third party, and but the responsibility of packing and shipping the item is with Amazon. So we can list those items if it meets all our listing criteria. So you can also do go to all departments, then just think of anything you want. Okay, so let's say I want to list a dog toy basket. Okay, there. Then click on the search button. Okay, so it's a prime item, you can see. So it is sold by For the Love of Leisure Limited and fulfilled by Amazon. So it's a prime item, and you can see here it's free delivery in the UK. So the source price is £20. Okay, so let's check this item if this meets all our listing criteria. So just copy the title of the item, then go to ebay.co.uk. Okay, then paste the item's name here, then click on search. Okay, so there. We also need to make sure that we choose UK only. Okay, so you will see all sellers of this item within UK. So let's also put the postcode here, a UK postcode. Okay, there. Okay, so we need to compete with a price. So we want to offer the lowest price here. So the customers will buy from us if we offer the lowest price for the item. So we also want to look having a £1 difference from our lowest competitor. So we need to check here the lowest price offered. We also need to make sure that when we check, it's the same item that we compete, okay, that we compete with. So the price here. We need to scroll down until the bottom part of the page to check all sellers and all the prices. Okay, so we offer free postage. Okay, you can see that this seller is offering free postage. Okay, so if the seller is not offering a free postage, this won't show here. You can see here plus the postage rather than the free postage, it will show here plus, for example, there's a postage fee of 299 plus 2.99 postage, like that. So you need to combine or sum up the item's price plus the postage fee if you want to compete. Okay, so there, so 25.83, we need to know the lowest price offered for this item. 25.83, 25.49, 24.78. Okay, it's 24.78. There's 24.77, the lowest so far. 24.77. So for this item, the lowest price offered is 24.77. So let's have a review if it's really 24.77. And yes, it's 24.77. So it meets our criteria to yeah. So I'm so sorry. So we also need to check if the item is a good selling item. That's one of our listing criteria. So we consider a good selling item if it was already been sold for 10 times or more, combining all sellers. So let's check if this item was already sold for 10 times or more, combining all sellers. Okay, so 5, there's 5. 1, so 6, 7, 8. And 8, we need 2 more. 9, 10, 11. So we were not able to open all sellers yet, all sellers page yet, but we were already able to know that the item was sold 10 times or more. Okay, so this passed our criteria to be a good selling item, to list a good selling item. So you also need to be careful if the item is sold by the manufacturer. So this is manufactured by For the Love of Pet Leisure and sold by For the Love of Leisure Limited, because some of the manufacturers who are selling the item in Amazon do not allow their items to be sold by other suppliers. But you can see here when you search in eBay, they allow other sellers to sell their item, different sellers, Ion Palace, Deals Alert, Chazy, and All Sales. So we will conclude that we are allowed to sell this item because other sellers are allowed. Okay, so that's it. So we need to compete with the lowest price now, which is the 24.77. So I mentioned earlier that we want to look having 1 pound difference from the lowest competitor. So from 24.77, we want to offer 23.99. Okay, 24.77. So we will offer the item for 23 pounds and 99 pence. 23 pounds and 99 pence. Let's see if we have a good profit out of it. So one of our listing criteria is the item should pass our profit criteria. So our profit criteria for this training is 50 pence and above. So since we will offer, let's compute for the profit. Okay, so before we compute for the profit, I'll discuss first the eBay fees and the PayPal fees for every transaction or sale transaction of the item. So this item, so eBay charges us for every sale transaction depending on the category the item belongs to. So it's under, so when you open a competitor's page, you can see here the item belongs to home furniture and DIY. So home furniture and DIY, this is the list of our eBay category and its fees percentage fee rather. So it's 10% for every sale. So let's close this now. So PayPal charges us for every sale transaction, which is 3.4%, 3.4%, and a fixed um, 20 pence for every transaction in PayPal. So so again, it's eBay. For this item, it's 10% for 10% for home furniture and DIY. And sale transaction, PayPal charges us for every sale transaction in eBay, 3.4%, and the fixed fee of 20 pence for every transaction in PayPal. So there, so let's compute for our profit if we will offer it for 23.99. So this is our desired selling price. Okay, so let's deduct our let's compute for our, yes, that's for our fees. So 10% eBay fee plus 3.4% PayPal fee is 13.4%. So 13.4%, then plus the PayPal fixed fee of 20 pence for every transaction. Okay, there. So this is our fees. So it's 3.41. So let's deduct our selling price, which is the 23.99. So this is what we receive after fees. So it's 20 pounds and 58 pence. Okay, if we round it off. So now let's deduct our source price. Okay, from Amazon, it's 20. It's 20, so 20 pounds. So, okay, this is our profit now. It's 57 pence. So, it's 57 pence. So, it passed our criteria of, our profit criteria of 50 pence and above. So, we can list this item. Okay, now, so, to list this item, we need to just copy the source link from Amazon, then go to our listing tool, Hydra Lister, then go to single lister. Okay, then insert the URL here, or you can also use the ASIN. Okay, so you can see the ASIN here, this one on the link. You can also see it below the items page in Amazon. So there. So that's the ASIN. So I prefer using the link itself. So you also need to choose the correct the country, the correct platform where you will be listing the item. So it's UK for this training. So add new item. Okay, so there. So you proceed to step 2. Go to yes, there, to override price. Okay, let's remove everything here because we will now put all our fees. So eBay fee is 10%. Okay, since it's under home furniture and DIY. So PayPal fee, it's 20 pence. Okay, because you see the money sign here. And PayPal fee, the percentage is 3.4. So here are the fees. So 10% eBay fee, 20 pence PayPal fee for every transaction, and 3.4% PayPal fee. Okay, so there. So we want to offer the item for 23.99. So let's just play with the margin until, so there. So you can see if we change the margin, if we change up the margin, the price here, this is our selling price, so it will also change. So let's put 3%. Okay, 2.9, 2.5. Let's try 23.99. We need 23.99. So let's just adjust our margin. That's 2.6. Okay, 22.8. A little more. 2.85. Okay, there. So now, this is now 23.99. So when you list this item, this will be your selling price. So it's now good. Okay, so this is the title of the item. Okay, so eBay has a limit of 80 characters. So the title is composed of 114. So we will just edit it. You can edit it to maximize the 80 character limit. So there, 40 by, you can just use this one, 40 by 30. Just so your item looks good. Okay, there. 40 by 30 by 25. Okay, just put there. Okay. So this is how we list our item. But you can also just leave the title as is, because when you list it, it will automatically adjust to the 80 characters. So but for me, just for this training, I'll be showing you how we adjust the title to just maximize the 80 character limit. Okay, so there you can just do this. 40 by 30 by 25 centimeters. Okay, there. 40 by 30 by 25 centimeters. So there. So it's 80 character now. So I'm here. You just need to choose the main image, okay, which you think is the best image for which is the most appealing image for the customers. Okay, so for me, this one is good to go. Wait. Okay, this one is already a good image. So you just need, if you want to set it as a main picture, if you want to choose anywhere here, just click the star, okay? There. So I also limit my images to 5 to 7 images, because sometimes HydroLister will only allow up to that. There's also a limit of the number of images you can display in your listing. So if you want to remove the image and not show it, you just need to untick this, uncheck the image. Okay, you just need to uncheck like that. Okay, because it's just it looks the same, so I won't be including this image. Okay, there. So here's our item now. So it's now good to list. Okay, so just scroll down, then you can now list the item there. So it's now processing. So this is how we list an item in HydroLister. So we just need to wait for it. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, now so we're back. So let's proceed on listing the item. So just click list item. Okay. Okay, so once we are able to list the item, you can go to the item list. Okay, and once you're able to list the item successfully in Hydra, it will show you your eBay item ID, which is this one. Okay, so you can just click this when you're in the item list. Click this. So this is the link of your item. So here's the title of the item. This is our main image, and this is our selling price. So we now offer the lowest price for this item. So that's how we source and list item from Amazon.com to eBay, from amazon.co.uk to ebay.co.uk. So thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.